Quiche Lorraine, a classic savory pie, exemplifies the adaptability of traditional dishes. Despite its decline in popularity over the years, it continues to resonate as a comforting choice for many. Similarly, the Harvey Wallbanger cake captures the creative essence of the 1970s, merging food and beverage trends. Although its nostalgic charm is undeniable, it has slowly disappeared from contemporary dessert menus. Moving on to coq au vin, this traditional French dish illustrates regional recipe variations that contribute to culinary diversity. The rich flavors of chicken braised in red wine, combined with local ingredients, showcase its heritage. In fact, coq au vin represents a technique that prioritizes slow cooking, enriching the dish's flavors. This method also allows for a deeper appreciation of culinary history and culinary tradition. Furthermore, fondue's rise in popularity during the mid-20th century in the US transformed mealtime into a shared experience. This communal approach fosters stronger social connections among diners. French onion soup, brimming with rich flavors and comforting warmth, stands as a pillar of classic French cuisine. Even as its popularity ebbs, it evokes cherished memories of traditional dining experiences. Additionally, egg salad sandwiches often incorporate ingredients such as celery, onions, or pickles, introducing crunch and elevating flavor. These adjustments enhance the overall enjoyment of the dish. Historically, the egg salad sandwich gained traction in the mid-20th century, frequently featured in lunchboxes and picnics due to its quick preparation and satisfying taste. Despite its decline in relevance compared to modern alternatives, the egg salad sandwich remains a nostalgic favorite, evoking memories of homemade meals and family gatherings. As for spaghetti carbonara, the dish involves combining hot pasta with a mixture of eggs, cheese, and rendered fat to create a silky sauce. Freshly cracked black pepper enhances its aroma and flavor. Cabbage rolls also symbolize comfort and home-cooked meals, characterized by hearty flavors. Their enduring popularity at family gatherings underscores their cultural significance. Beef Wellington exemplifies culinary precision, showcasing luxurious ingredients and intricate preparation. Though it demands skill, it stands as a testament to craftsmanship within fine dining. In contrast, shepherd's pie traditionally utilizes leftover meats and vegetables, exemplifying resourcefulness. This dish maximizes ingredients while delivering a hearty, satisfying meal. On a sweeter note, Black Forest cake, celebrated for its rich flavors and creamy textures, evokes nostalgia, having gained traction in the mid-20th century during festive celebrations. Banana cream pie, with its luscious custard and fresh bananas, possesses a timeless appeal, delighting those who crave comforting desserts. Its nostalgic allure continues to entice fans today. Peach Melba, a classic dessert from the late 19th century, features poached peaches paired with vanilla ice cream and raspberry sauce. Its gourmet elegance reflects the essence of fine dining. Lemon meringue pie, renowned for its bright flavors and contrasting textures, consists of a flaky crust filled with tangy lemon custard, topped with fluffy meringue. Its popularity soared in mid-20th century diners. Finally, stuffed mushrooms serve as a versatile appetizer that combines earthy mushroom flavors with a savory filling of breadcrumbs and cheese. Their popularity in mid-20th century gatherings endures today.